Hello, my name is Solomon Hendrix. I am an insect ecology and conservation student in the Department of Entomology and Wildlife Ecology at the University of Delaware. I am working this summer through the Unique Strengths undergraduate internship program studying insect phylogenetics and taxonomy. Phylogenetics, the study of the relationship between organisms, is usually used to inform taxonomy, the study of the classification of organisms. Together, they are referred to as systematics. My work this summer has been focused on the realization of 4 systematics projects concerning a group of insects known as plant hoppers, under the advisement of Dr. Charles Bartlett. Much of this work was conducted utilizing the University of Delaware's insect research collection, which houses over 350,000 insect specimens. These projects can be divided into 2 categories: species description and genus revision. Species description concerns the detailed formal description and naming of a species new to science, while genus revision concerns the reassessment and potential reclassification of the species within a genus or tribe. These 2 categories will be discussed in further detail later. In order to complete these projects, I utilized a number of methods including collection of insect specimens, photography, insect identification, and morphological analysis and description. As part of my project, I visited the University of California, Riverside and spent a week working in the Insect Museum, identifying and photographing plant hopper material. Plant hoppers are attracted to lights at night due to their use of the sun and moon for navigation. This can be utilized for their collection. I set up light traps during my time in California as well as throughout the Delmarva area to collect plant hopper specimens. Throughout the night, insects will fly to the light sheet and can be collected. Insects were also collected through the use of a sweep net on vegetation. Many hundreds of insect specimens were photographed to aid in morphological analysis and illustration of the species for eventual publication. These photographs are made publicly available on the websites Bug Guide, iNaturalist, and TaxonWorks as they are processed. As part of these projects, identification of many species required dissection of the specimen in order to view important diagnostic features. Morphological analysis and description were conducted to devise groupings for the genus revision, formally describe new species, and provide diagnostic characters for the differentiation of congeners in the species description projects. Dichotomous keys were created for the various projects as well. The species descriptions encompass 3 separate projects: a new species of succeed plant hopper from Belize, a new species of calicellid plant hopper from Delaware, and a new species of flatted plant hopper from Florida. The first of these projects has been completed and submitted for peer review. The latter 2 are still in the early stages of writing. The genus revision is a classification of the succeed plant hopper genus Melanoliaris, an amalgam of 81 species distributed throughout the Americas. This project began 2 years ago and was able to be completed this summer thanks to funding provided by the Unique Strengths internship. A final manuscript has been submitted for review, which concerns the description of 12 new genera and 1 new subgenus. This work was made possible thanks to the Unique Strengths undergraduate internship program, the Department of Entomology and Wildlife Ecology at the University of Delaware, the Audubon Conservation Grant Program, the Center for Systematic Entomology at the Florida State Collection of Arthropods, and Friends of the Entomology Research Museum at the University of California, Riverside. Thank you.